Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best cordless tillers of 2025, perfect for keeping your garden in shape without the noise or hassle of gas or cords. We've compared the latest models based on power, battery life, ease of use, and overall value, so you can find the best fit for your yard work. And don't worry, all the product links are in the description box below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get started. Number 5. Saker 22V Cordless Electric Garden Tiller Cultivator. The Saker 22V Cordless Electric Garden Tiller is a helpful tool for anyone who enjoys gardening. It is small, easy to use, and works well in small spaces like home gardens, backyards, or tight corners. Because it is cordless, you don't need to worry about plugging it in or dealing with long wires. You can use it anywhere, making your work easier and faster. This tiller is powered by a strong motor that runs at 270 rotations per minute, RPM. It has 4 strong steel tines that dig into the soil with ease. It can till up to 9 inches wide and 6.3 inches deep. This is perfect for preparing soil, loosening dirt, and pulling out weeds before planting. The design of the Saker tiller is lightweight and easy to handle. It has an adjustable handle to fit your comfort and reduce tiredness during use. The main handle is also shaped to make holding and moving the tiller easier. Whether you are new to gardening or have experience, this tiller is simple and comfortable to use. Safety is very important with this tool. The tiller has a special safety feature where you need to press both a button and a trigger at the same time to turn it on. This helps prevent it from starting by accident, keeping you and others around you safe. The Saker cordless garden tiller comes with 2 rechargeable 22V lithium-ion batteries. Each battery can run for up to 30 minutes, so with both, you get about an hour of working time. This gives you plenty of time to finish small garden jobs without stopping. Overall, the Saker 22V cordless garden tiller is a smart choice for people looking for a simple, safe, and effective gardening tool. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and works well for all kinds of soil preparation and weeding tasks in small gardens. Number 4. MZK 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator. The MZK 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator is a helpful tool for anyone who enjoys gardening. It is battery-powered and designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. Since it doesn't need to be plugged in, you can use it anywhere in your garden without dealing with long cords. This makes it more convenient and safer. This garden tool is small and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry and move around. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, so you can use it for longer periods without getting tired. It's great for people of all ages who want to make gardening easier and more enjoyable. The MZK tiller has 24 strong steel tines and a 7.8-inch wide working area. It works well for loosening up soil, breaking clumps, and preparing the ground before planting. It also helps air get into the soil, which is good for plant roots. Whether you're working on garden beds or fixing up your lawn, this tool can help you get the job done faster. To keep you safe, the MZK tiller comes with a safety lock. This feature stops the machine from turning on by accident, so you can feel more secure while using it. The tiller includes 2 20V 2.0 rechargeable batteries and a charger. This gives you enough power to work without having to stop often. The batteries are easy to charge and change, letting you focus on your gardening without interruptions. If you ever have any issues with the tiller or need help, MZK offers customer support and is ready to assist you. In short, the MZK 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator is a smart and simple tool for garden lovers. It's easy to carry, safe to use, and does a great job preparing your garden soil for planting. Number 3. Earthwise Power Tools by ALM 20V Cordless Electric Garden Tiller. The Earthwise Power Tools by ALM TC70020IT is a 20V cordless electric garden tiller that helps make gardening easier and cleaner. It comes with a 2.0 lithium-ion battery and a fast charger, so you can quickly get back to work after charging. Since it's cordless, you don't need to worry about plugs or gas. Just charge it and go. This tiller is great for small gardens, flower beds, and yards. It helps you prepare the soil, mix in compost or fertilizer, and remove weeds. You can use it throughout the gardening season to keep your soil loose and healthy. It works well for turning over old soil and clearing out tough spots, including weeds and grass around garden edges. The Earthwise tiller has 4 strong steel tines that can till up to 7.5 inches wide and 6 inches deep. This is enough for most small to medium garden tasks. It is powerful but lightweight, so it's easy to carry, use, and move around your yard. Because it's electric, this tiller is quieter and more eco-friendly than gas-powered machines. It doesn't make loud noise or release gas fumes into the air. It also needs less maintenance. No oil, no fuel, just a battery that you recharge. The handle and design make it easy to hold and guide. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, you'll find it simple to use. Once you finish, it's easy to store in a shed or carry up steps to your porch because of its light weight. In short, the Earthwise 20V cordless electric garden tiller is a handy, clean, and quiet tool for home gardening. It's perfect for preparing and caring for flower beds, gardens, or small lawns, without the mess and hassle of gas tools. Just charge the battery, and you're ready to make your garden grow. Number 2. TaskStar Cordless Tiller. The TaskStar TH4000 Cordless Garden Tiller is a great tool for anyone who loves gardening. It's simple to use and works well for breaking up soil, mixing compost, and keeping the garden healthy. This battery-powered tiller gives you the freedom to move around without being held back by cords. The tiller runs on a strong motor with a speed of 360 RPM, making it powerful enough to handle tough ground. It has 48 heavy-duty steel tines that are rust-resistant. These tines help break the soil smoothly and evenly, giving you great results every time. This garden tool comes with 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, each 2.0 Ah, giving you a total of 4,000 milliamp hours. That means you get a good amount of run time without needing to stop and recharge often. Plus, using rechargeable batteries is more affordable and better for the environment than gas-powered tools. Because it's cordless, you don't have to worry about staying near an outlet or tripping over wires. You can use it anywhere in your garden with ease. The tiller is also lightweight and easy to carry, which helps reduce tiredness when you use it for a long time. When you're done, it's small enough to store without taking up much space. Made from strong alloy steel, this tiller is built to last. It's also low maintenance. Unlike gas tillers, you don't have to deal with fuel, oil changes, or loud noise. Just charge the battery and start working. Even though it's an electric tool, safety is still important. Always wear safety glasses and gloves while using it. Keep others at a safe distance, and don't use the tiller in closed spaces. Always unplug the charger before removing it from the battery. If you need help, TaskStar's customer care team is ready to support you. They're friendly and easy to reach if you have any questions or problems. This garden tiller is a smart and useful tool for both new and experienced gardeners. It makes hard garden tasks easier and more enjoyable. It's also a great gift for anyone who enjoys spending time in the garden. Number 1. Alloyman 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator. The Alloyman 20V Cordless Tiller is a helpful tool for anyone who loves working in their garden. This electric tiller makes it easy to prepare soil for planting, clean up your lawn, or work in flower beds. Because it runs on battery power, you don't have to worry about power cords or nearby outlets. You can take it anywhere in your yard or garden with ease. This tiller comes with 2 strong 20V batteries and a charger. Each battery lasts about 30 minutes, and you can switch them out to keep working without waiting. The batteries also have safety features like overload and heat protection, so they last longer and work better. The Alloyman tiller has a strong motor that spins at 360 RPM. It has 4 tough steel tines that dig 9 inches wide and 6.6 inches deep. Whether you are turning soil, loosening dirt, or getting your garden ready for planting, this tool does the job quickly and well. One of the best things about this tiller is how comfortable it is to use. It's lightweight and has a soft, adjustable handle that fits your hand well. The design helps reduce tiredness, even if you use it for a long time. People of all ages can handle it easily. For extra safety, the tiller has a special switch that needs both the button and the trigger to be pressed at the same time. This means the tiller won't start by accident. You can feel safe while using it around your home and family. After you're done working, the tiller is simple to clean. The parts are easy to take apart, so you can remove any stuck weeds or dirt quickly. This helps the tool stay in good shape for next time. The Alloyman cordless tiller works great for small gardens, raised beds, and flower areas. You can use it for digging, turning soil, weeding, or clearing out old, hard dirt. It's a very useful tool for many different gardening tasks. If you ever need help or have questions, Alloy Man offers 45 days of full satisfaction service. Their customer support team is ready to assist you. This garden tiller is a smart and simple choice for anyone who wants to make gardening easier. It's strong, safe, and easy to use, perfect for home gardeners who want great results without extra work.